Time for another fabulous episode of Reviewing Stuff. I know it's just one action-packed episode after another, but this is reviewing stuff, and we're going to do some reading of numbers using a place value chart today. Let me say that again. Reading of whole numbers. We're not going to read decimals today. Let's just read whole numbers. All right, so we're going to use these little sections. These are called the periods. These will help us read because we're going to start reading every number by using the largest period in that number. All right, so let's just say that I have that number. That's 1. I don't have to say any of these. I don't have to say ones, tens, or hundreds after I read a number. I just have to say 1, or let's say instead I had a 2 in the tens place, and then I have a 1 in the ones place. Now I say 21, right? Let's say I have a 4 in the hundreds place, and then I have a 2 in the tens place, and then a 1 in the ones place. Now I just read that as that 3-digit number, 421. So we're going to do that a lot. Reading the 3-digit number in each period is going to help you read the number. Sometimes it'll be a 2-digit number, sometimes it'll be a 3-digit number, and it can also be a 1-digit number. And we'll see those situations. So let's start off with exactly what I'm talking about with a 1-digit number in the thousands period. So if I put a 2 in the thousands place, that now says that there are 2 thousands, there are 4 hundreds, there are 2 tens, and there's 1 1. All right, and you'll be able to do. There's never going to be more than 1 digit in each place, so that's why we have the next place value. So it's always going to be 1 digit in each place. So if we're looking at that number, we'd start off by saying 2, and then the period that that number is in, so 2000, and then we'd read the second part of the number, which is in the 1 section, 421. So you would say 2000, 421. So that's how we read that number. All right. If we got another digit in the next largest place value, let's say that we had a 5 right there. A 5 in the 10,000s. So 5 10,000s would be 50,000. So we would read the number 52,000, and then we would read the number in the 1 section, 421. So all we would actually need to do is add that 50 to our description. It says 52,421. 52,421. So let's say that we have a digit in our 100,000s place. So now what we're going to do is we're going to read the whole 3-digit number in the 100,000s place, or in the thousands place. So we're going to read this whole number, 752,000, and then we're going to read the number in the ones place, 421. So we would say 752,421. So remember, you read the number, and then the period, and then you read the number in the ones period. So it's going to be a lot of reading 3-digit numbers and then the period itself. So we're going to try that in the next video with millions and billions.